In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson ColorWorks C6000A series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Epson ColorWorks C6000A support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an Epson ColorWorks CW C6000A link. Go ahead and open that up. And then selecting the operating system drop-down, select your appropriate operating system and then the Go button. And then scrolling down again, expand the driver section and select the print driver download. Once it's on your device, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard about selecting OK to continue with the install, and it should be pretty self-guiding from there. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.